We want to divide 185 divided by 4. To do it, as we usually do, we are going to build our chart, and we are going to put here the amount that we got. We are going to put here the amount that we want to share, and we are going to put here the amount that this one our friend is going to receive. Here we put the dividend, and here we put the divisor, is 4. And we are going to set down the multiplication table of 4. 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 5, 20, 4 times 6, 24, 4 times 7, 28, 4 times 8, 32, 4 times 9, 36, and 4 times 10, 40. And here we have squared the number that there are multiples of 4. And these numbers are the maximum that we can share with our friends. The only one that we can share with them. We can share 4, we can share 8, we can share 12, we can share 16, we can share 20, we can share 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Keep in mind that if you choose the biggest one, you are going to finish your division quicker. And then in this case, we are going to choose 40. We are going to share in all 40, and each one of our friends is going to receive 10. And we have 185, and we have shared with our friend 40, we are still having 145. And we are still doing the same. We are going to share with them 40, and each one is going to receive 10. And we have 145, and we have shared with them 40. We have now 105. We are going to share with them 40 again, and each one is going to receive 10 again. And if we have taken away from 105, 40, we are still having 65. We are going to share with them 40, and each one is going to receive 10. And we had 65, and we have taken away 40. We have now 25. And keep in mind that you don't have 40 to share with them. And then in this case, we have to choose another or different amount to share with our friend. The maximum that we can share with them is 24, because we only have now 25. And then we are going to share with them 24, and each one is going to receive 6, because 4 times 6 is 24. As a result of it, and we have 25 and we have taken away 24, we have 1. That is a remainder of the division, and the result of the division is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6 is 46. Then we are going to put here 46, and we are going to put here 1, the remainder. As you can see, this is a long way. That's why we are working in 100 and you are working in units. And we are going to try to change this to make it easier and quicker. Let's cut to the chase, and we have 185. We are going to add here a 0, and we are going to add here a 0. That means that 4 times 10 is 40, 4 times 20 is 80, 4 times 30 is 120, 4 times 40 is 160, 4 times 50 is 200, 4 times 60 is 240, 4 times 7. Hang on a minute. I don't have to still doing the same, because I only have 185, and the maximum that I can share with my friend is 160, because 200 is over. You can see it here. And then we don't need 200, and then we are going to cross out this, and we are going to put here 160, and that means that each one of our friends is going to receive 40. Remember that you have chosen 160 with this 0. You are going to have to take this 0 as well with 4. That means that you have linked this number 40. And you have 185, and you have taken away 160, you have now 25. And you have to come back to the old multiplication table, because you only have 25. You are going to have to take away 0 and 0 here, and you are going to have to share with your friend in all 24. And you are going to have to share with your friend to each one 6. You are going to give them to each one 6. As a result of it, the remainder of division, as we knew, is 1, and the result of the division is 46, as you knew as well, because you have here. Well, we are going to try with another one a little bit more difficult. 673 divided by 7. This is the amount that we got, with the amount that we want to share, and this is the amount that we want to share with each one of our friends. And here we put the divisor 7, and we put here the dividend 673. And we are going to set down the multiplication table 7. 7 times 1, 7, 7 times 2, 14, 7 times 3, 21, 7 times 4, 28, 7 times 5, 35, 7 times 6, 42, 7 times 7, 49, 7 times 9, 56, 7 times 9, 63, and 7 times 10, 70. But remember, when you catch the hang of it, it's easy. And you are working with 3 numbers here. That means that you are working in with hundreds. And that's why we are going to try to multiply and to add here a 0. And we have 0 here. 7 times 10 is 70, 7 times 20 is 140, 7 times 30 is 210, 7 times 40 is 280, 7 times 50 is 350, 7 times 60 is 420, 7 times 70 is 480, 7 times 80 is 560, 7 times 90 is 630, and 7 times 100 is 700. And we've got 770. I think that if you choose 70 is far away from 670, and we are going to reject it. We are going to reject 140 because it's far away as well. We are going to reject 210 because it's far away. We are not going to reject 280. We don't want to choose 350. We don't want to choose 420. We don't have to choose 480 because it's far away. We don't have to choose 560. But look at here, 630 is close to 673 because 673 is between 630 and 700. We don't have 700 to share with our friends. And then we are going to put here 630. That means that each one of our friends is going to receive 90. And we are going to put here. As we have 673, we have shared with our friend 630, we only have now 43. We have to come back to our old multiplication table. And then we have to find out where is our number. We can't share 49 because it's over, but we can share 42. But we have to take away this 0. Because we don't need it. We are not working in 100. And then we are going to put here 42. But if you have taken away this 0, you have to take away this 0 as well. Because if you have 7 friends and you are going to decide to give them 42, you only can give them to each one 6. And that's why you are going to do this. And the result of the division is 96. And the remainder is 1. We are going to put here 96 and the remainder 1. And remember, as quick as you learn the multiplication table, you are going to finish quicker the division. And the motto of it, practice makes perfect. You have to practice a lot to get this really well and easier. Thank you. Bye-bye.